Checking the status of workflows. If you have an active workflow, you may want to check the status to see how things are progressing. Here's how to view and understand the status of your workflows. Navigate to the Workflow Builder and click into a particular workflow. Within the top, you'll see a small menu, and you can navigate to the Status tab within the Workflow Builder for that particular workflow. Using the drop-down menu, you can sort and filter through the current statuses for your workflow. You can view contacts, the date added, current step, workflow status, next execution, execution log, and actions. For each contact, you'll be able to view the full history of actions for that particular contact record within the specific workflow. If they've been added to the workflow more than once, you'll see all the actions from each time that they were added. Note that the next execution will give you a preview of what their next step is in the chain of events. The execution log allows you to view the history of actions for the contact within this specific workflow. Again, if they've been in it more than once, you can use the icon to the left of their name to view the complete history within the workflow, even for multiple occurrences. You're all set.